Assalamu alaikum to all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile Factory Master. So friends, today we are going to reset this OALE China phone. So before starting the video, I request to you all, please subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. So first of all, you can need to charge your phone up to 5 to 10% and then press volume up plus power button for several times. Then screen is showing, so remove power button and keep pressing volume up. Now you can see no command. Press power plus volume up and enter the reset menu. Press the volume down and reset phone factory reset. This may take some seconds. Then again press volume down and clear caches and then reboot the phone. This can take up to 5 to 10 minutes. Then this will automatically go in open menu. No need to set up, no need to next, no need to connect to Wi-Fi, no FRP. Just reset this and enjoy. Your mobile will be automatically in open menu. So friends, how is today's video? If you likes, so then subscribe and share my channel. Thanks.